Value is central and critically important to every real estate investment. Hi, I'm Professor Lynch, and I'm the director of the Weitzman Institute for Real Estate. I teach this capstone course, Real Estate Valuation, which is required for the completion of the real estate finance concentration. In this course, the concept of value is explored through the typical stakeholders in a transaction, which include the developer, equity investor, lender, appraiser, insurance agent, tax assessor, and so many more people. Students in the course engage in hands-on modeling through real-world case studies using Excel, Argus, and CoStar. Argus and CoStar, which are leading real estate technologies, are marketable skill sets in the real estate industry. Upon successful completion of the course, students will have developed financial modeling skills and a command of valuation. Thank you for considering adding this to your course schedule and completing the real estate concentration. If you have any questions or require any additional information, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. My email address is my first name, Julie, Julie, .Lynch, Lynch, @utdallas.edu.